Guys, so we're going to look at another way to start a fire or carry a fire using chaga mushroom. This is a natural mushroom that grows on the birch trees around here. It's a medicinal mushroom. A lot of people use for teas and stuff, but it also has great survival aspects because you can put a spark to chaga mushroom and it will smolder that spark for a very long time, so you can travel with it from camp to camp. You can use it in your tinder bundle to start your fire, and it burns nice and hot too, so you don't have to worry about it going out over a long distance. So we're going to try and throw a spark to it. We have an older ferro rod, so we'll see how it works out. This one actually was lost out in the woods for a while. The chipmunks and squirrels got to it, as you can see, and it's been pretty thin. I've had this for a few years, so we'll see how it works. Oops. See if we can get one going. There it is. Now if you can look real close, you can see that it's smoldering in a lot of spots right now. Just like that, it's now going to be able to be carried for a long time. Now, what a lot of people will do is they'll wrap it up into a bundle such as this, obviously all the way around, to be able to carry it inside like a white birch bucket or something like that. But as you see, it is smoldering quite well. Ouch. It's hot too. I don't think we'll be able to get any of the white birch to ignite off of it. Probably not. Let me get a bigger piece. I want to try it though. We're going to see if we can. Finer piece of this. See, it's still just a smoldering too. It lasts for quite a while. Just set this down. All right. Ouch. I don't think we're going to be able to get the flame off of it, but if you had a regular tinder bundle, you could obviously just throw this right in here. But look how much is already gone and burnt, just like that. And like I said, it stays very hot. You can feel the heat coming right off of it. So there you go, chaga mushroom to carry your fire, start your fire. It's not only a medicinal tea mushroom, it's also a great survival tool. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.